This video will demonstrate how to find articles available from Yale Library in scholarly journals, newspapers, and magazines using Quicksearch. Because Quicksearch combines most of the library's database subscriptions into a single search, it's a great place to start to find a variety of article content. Start your search at the library website, library.yale.edu. If you're working from off-campus, be sure to authenticate with your NetID and password when prompted, since it's often the only way to access restricted and licensed e-resources. See our video on off-campus access for more information. Suppose you want to find research on conspiracy theories around the 1969 moon landing. It's best to start with a broad keyword or phrase related to your search, such as moon landing. Here, quotation marks also ensure your search will pick up the whole phrase and not the individual words. Quicksearch will return results in a variety of formats, ranging from online only to archives, maps, and of course, articles. To find articles, select the option for journal and magazine articles. This will take you to an interface called Articles Plus, where you can refine your search results with advanced options. One way to refine your results is to use the filtering options on the left. Here we can see that filters for journal article and magazine article are already applied. It's a good idea to review the filter options in any database in case you need a specific type of content. For instance, if you want to find scholarly articles, add the Scholarly Publications filter. For scholarly peer-reviewed articles, there are over 2,000 results, which will be too many to review. To make your search more specific, try Advanced Search, labeled here as Options, located to the right of the search bar. Advanced Search will allow you to build a search with the operators AND, OR, and NOT. The AND operator combines multiple terms, the OR operator broadens your search, and the NOT operator narrows your search by excluding terms. For example, to find material related to moon landing conspiracy theories, keep the phrase moon landing and add the term hoax with the operator AND. Next, you could broaden the search by including another like term, such as conspiracy, with the operator OR. It's a good idea to conduct a few searches, paying attention to how advanced search combinations affect your results. For more help finding articles for your research, reach out to us at ask.library.yale.edu.